This is life, through simulated thoughts that are expressed beyond our own ability to perceive ourselves. When you sleep, you dream, and when you dream, you create. When you create, you are an artist. With visions so vivid, you can illustrate an imagination that orchestrates a symphony of harmony inside your head. In sync, in rhythm, in tune, all within you. Take a quick moment and reflect on a question that you always sleep on. How do I manifest dreams? Well, let's start with this. Open your eyes and look around. Open your mind and explore the world. Open your heart and love yourself. When you raise the level of your confidence and heighten your awareness, your abilities will be exercised. Your heart will be pumped. Your brain will stop thinking, because, when your brain knows, you don't have to think. Control your mind. Before random thoughts, control portions of your day, leaving you to have a foggy and blurry mind. Every day, you are formulating a new thought process. Are you in full control at all times? Or are you controlled by emotions that are inherited through the universe? Perception is disguised inside a different view. While we continue to grow, we see the differences that make us each unique. When you realize this, life begins to move with you. Having controlled thoughts help you guide yourself along your path. When you excuse yourself from your psyche, you contribute to the untamed minds that are in the universe. Future yourself forward. Passion and desire is alive within you. Embark on a journey that expands your inner living into the outside world. The same place you wake up is where dreams begin. While you're at home, practice who you are. Practice what you do. Practice how you want to be. Practice a mind that is ready to succeed. Achievements don't come to those who hope or wish. Achievements and wishes are fulfilled from minds that practice every day. Practice is repeating, and repeating helps memory. And memory can be transferred into a natural process that you use without hesitation. From natural movements to quick thinking, we are all structured in our own way. Structure that is built up from your mindset, molding you into the person you desire to be. The more you build, the bigger you will become. Once you get moving in the right direction, you are able to reconnect with yourself, inviting the possibilities of self-improvement. The road to success is determined on your travels. Imprint the world. Try something new. Visit destinations through manifestation. Stay refreshed. You will conquer more and more obstacles. We have garnished our lives with Apple products we can't eat. Just don't forget what we really need in life: a healthy lifestyle and a healthy mindset. After that, it's about growth. Control your breathing. Control your thoughts. Recycle yourself into a new dimension. Prepare yourself for a journey into a world where time no longer exists, and you are in complete control. All you have to do is believe in yourself and practice what's inside. Like and subscribe